Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's jump into creating an RPG character together. In this lab you will practice the basics of Python by building a small app that creates a character for an RPG adventure. Objective: fulfill the user stories below and get all the tests to pass to complete the lab. User stories. The first one, you should have a function named createCharacter. Let's run the test just in case to see how everything is working. The function createCharacter should accept 4 parameters: name, strength, intelligence, and charisma. The character name should be validated. If character name is not a string, the function should return the character name should be a string. Let's put this if statement. We have a special function for this, is instance. It will help us to verify that our name is a string. The next if statement, we should check the length of the name. There is a special function that's called len. We pass the name inside and it will return an integer, so we can compare it with number 10. If the character name contains spaces, the function should return. The character name should not contain spaces. So here we can use the in operator and we will check if there is spaces in the name. We will put our validate name function on the very top of our code and it will accept one parameter, name. Copy paste everything and let's delete the extra code in createCharacter function. It's time to check how everything is working, and nothing is working. Interesting, why? Well, I suppose it's not a JavaScript. Maybe we should return our function. Let's check this out. Yeah, it is working now. It doesn't look very nice, but I will improve it later. Let's leave it like it is. You don't have to do it. You just can skip it, this step, and just leave if statements in a createCharacter function. For the stats also should be validated. If one or more stats are not integers, the function should return all stats should be integers. Here we also need to use not in instance function. And it came out a little bit big with OR operators. Let's check how it's working. For now it looks pretty bad. Let's use for loop to improve it a little bit. Ready, let's comment the previous version and test it. We can use pretty much the same logic for another conditions, like all stats should be less than 1 and all stats should be more than 4. And the last condition, if the sum of the stats is different than 7, the function should return the character should start with 7 points. Let's make one more if statement. Just add everything together, and if it is not equal 7, return our string. Great, we finished validating stats. Let's clean up our code and create validate stats function. This function will accept 3 parameters: strength, intelligence, and charisma. I will move all the if statements one by one to be sure I am not mistaken with tabulation. I will create the variable error stats and will follow the same logic, returning this variable. I will speed up video a bit for your convenience. All the source code will be in description below. It's becoming hard to read it, so I will space it up a little bit, make more spaces between functions. We are approaching the final step. Let's read it up. If all values pass the verification, the function should return a string with 4 lines. The first line should contain a character name. After name, we have to add 3 more strings that have to follow the pattern. These abbreviations, space, and full dots and empty dots. I will return 4 F strings with breaks in the end of the strings in parentheses. It's time to build dots. I will create a separate function for this that will accept a stat. The function will return the string. It will concatenate stats multiplying by dots. First we will draw the full dots, and then we will draw the empty dots, so it's only 10 of them, so we have to write 10 minus stat for empty dots, I suppose. Let's try that out. It's kind of ready. Let's add it to our F strings. I think I made a mistake with counting our empty dots. Let's fix it. For some reasons it doesn't work. I think the function is right. Let me think what is wrong. It took a while to figure it out, but I think I find out why it doesn't work. Let's delete unnecessary decoration dots variable and also the break in the end of our last f string. Great, we finally finished it up. It was live coding with some errors, mistakes, a little bit of debugging. Don't worry if you're making mistake, it's absolutely normal. Doesn't matter how good you are at coding. Debugging, it's a part of the process. Just take your time and find the error. The source code for this lab will be in the description below. You can find my GitHub repository there. If you like this video, don't forget to put like, subscribe. I wish you a good day. Bye bye.